हेलो 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 वेलकम गाइस। एक नई वीडियो में, एक नई लाइव में आप सभी का स्वागत है। और आज किस वीडियो में हम लोग आज किस लाइव में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं अब्दुलवारी सर का जो वीडियो नंबर है दैट इज अराउंड 40। ओह, वीडियो नंबर 50। ये हमने हाफ सेंचुरी मार दी है गाइस। 84 वीडियोस हैं, आउट ऑफ विच वी वॉच्ड लाइक टुडे इज 50th, so 34 more to go. And now videos length are like seems to be increasing. Yep, there are a few like more than 50 minutes or so videos remaining to watch. And there are NP hard problems and knapsack using branching, all those things, but we will watch it and we will learn these things thoroughly. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. Yay! तो हम लोगों ने बना लिया है एक नया अपना, जो भी क्या बोलते हैं, नोट्स होते हैं, वो बना लिया है। वीडियो नंबर 4.3 है, जैसा कि यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हो। और हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं। चलिए, कल की वीडियो में कल की लास्ट लाइव में हम लोगों ने ऑल पेयर शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ देखा था। उसके लिए जो फॉर्मूला होता है वो बेसिकली ये होता है कि तुम इन लाइक वन बाई वन, यानी कि सबसे पहले तुम पहले वर्टेक्स से स्टार्ट करोगे। पहले वर्टेक्स से सारी वर्टेक्स की मिनिमम डिस्टेंस निकालो। फिर पहले वर्टेक्स के लिए जो तुम्हारी मैट्रिक्स बनी है उसका यूज करके तुम दूसरे वर्टेक्स के लिए निकालोगे। फिर तीसरे वर्टेक्स के लिए, ऐसे करके तुम सारी मैट्रिसेस बनाओगे। और जो मेन फॉर्मूला था वो ये था कि अगर तुम आयत मैट्रिक्स की बात कर रहे हो, सॉरी आयत वर्टेक्स पे हो, यानी कि तुम पहले वर्टेक्स पे हो, तो यहाँ पे A1 आ जाएगा। और A0 जो होगा वो तुम्हारा एडजेसेंसी मैट्रिक्स होगी, जो तुम्हारी गिवन होगी। ठीक है, तो अगर तुम A1 पे हो तो यहाँ पे A1 आ जाएगा। A1 का जो एक पार्टिकुलर एलिमेंट होगा I रो और J कॉलम पे, वो होगा मिनिमम ऑफ A of k minus 1, which is in the case of if we are on the first vertex, then this will become the like adjacency matrix itself. और फिर जैसा कि तुम देख पा रहे हो, तो बेसिकली हम लोग क्या कर रहे थे, अगर हमको 1 से 4 का चाहिए, ठीक है, तो हम लोग अगर हमको दूसरे दूसरे वर्टेक्स से, अगर हम लोग दूसरे वर्टेक्स की बात कर रहे हैं, तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, 1 से 2 पे आएंगे। अगर हमारे पास 1 से 4 का है तो 1 से 2 पे आएंगे, 2 से 4 पे जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ था। ठीक है, तो हम लोग इसके ऊपर सवाल करेंगे। अब जैसे ही हमारी ये जो मतलब लाइक ये वाली सीरीज है, ये खत्म हो जाएगी, तो हम लोग थोड़ा सा ऐसे सवालों की तरफ आएंगे। और हम लोग एक एक पार्टिकुलर एल्गोरिदम के 2-2 3-3 सवाल किया करेंगे एक दिन में, तो उससे हमको क्या होगा, समझ में आएगा। तो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम, लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडेज वीडियो। और चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
The problem is matrix chain multiplication. In this video, I'll explain you what is matrix multiplication problem, then what does it mean by matrix chain multiplication. Then I'll show how to solve this by applying dynamic programming. Then we will come up with the formula that is used for solving this problem. And also I will discuss the time complexity. So let us start with matrix multiplication. First of all, if you have a matrix, two matrices, and you want to multiply them, and their dimensions are suppose 5 cross 4 and 4 cross 3. The condition for multiplying two matrices is the number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to number of rows of second matrix. Then only multiplication can be done.
Yep.
If I write other way, B cross A, then their dimensions 4 cross 3 and 5 cross 4 will be there. They cannot be multiplied because these are not same. So A cross B, if it is possible, then B cross A is also possible. It's not necessary. When you multiply, the resultant matrix will be C, and the dimension of that resultant matrix will be 5 cross 3. Number of rows of first one and number of columns of last one. 5 cross 3.
Yep.
So it means how many elements will be there? So 15 elements will be there.
15 elements will be there.
Then for getting each element, what we are supposed to do? Multiply first row with first column. So how many elements? First row will have 4 elements, and this will also have 4
First
elements,
row
that
will
is
have
4, you can see.
four elements.
So
Four.
total 4 multiplications I have to do for getting this one
This
single
one.
element.
4
Then again,
multiplication,
first
after
row
that
with second
summation.
column I get this element. So it means for getting each element of the C matrix I have to make 4 multiplications. So this is into 4. So finally it is like this. 5 into 3 into 4, this is 60. So it means for generating the C matrix, I have to make 60 multiplications. 5, 4, 3. 60 multiplications are required. Right? So this is about the cost of multiplying two matrices. Depends on the number of multiplications that you are performing. So how to obtain the number of multiplication? This is how we can find out the number of multiplications. Now, coming to the problem. Here 4 matrices are given and the dimensions are given. They are arranged such that they can be multiplied because these are same, you see, and the 6 is same, 2 is same. So they can be multiplied. But the question is not to multiply and get the answer. No, we don't want the answer. For multiplying, I cannot multiply all of them together. I have to take a pair at a time and multiply. So the question is, which pair I should select such that the total cost of multiplying all of them is minimum. So the problem is not to multiply them. The problem is to know how to multiply them. This is matrix chain multiplication problem. It means how I should parenthesize them. Shall I do it like this? A1 is multiplied with A2 and that result is multiplied with A3 and that result is multiplied with A4. Shall I do it like this? Or A1 and A2 are multiplied and separately A3 and A4 are multiplied, then their results are multiplied together. Which method I should follow? See, like this, how many possibilities are there? There are many ways I can parenthesize them. So let me know total how many ways are there. So if I show this in the form of a tree, A1 is multiplied with A2, then A3 is multiplied with A4, then their results are multiplied. So it's forming like a tree. Right? If you see this, it's forming like a tree with how many nodes? 3 nodes, because there are 3 multiplication out of 4 matrices. So 3 nodes we are getting. So for this one, if I represent, then this is A1 is multiplied with A2 and that result is multiplied with A3 and that result is multiplied with A4. See, this is representing that that tree is representing this parenthesization. So like this, with 3 nodes, how many different trees are possible? So it means how many different parenthesizations are possible. See, for n nodes, 2n, cn by n plus 1 binary trees are possible. Now for 3 nodes, how many it will be? If I substitute 3 here, then I get answer 5. So it means these matrices can be multiplied in 5 different ways. 5 different ways they can be parenthesized.
So क्या था फिर से बोलिए सर?
3 here, then no, means how many different parenthesizations are possible. See, for n nodes, 2n, cn by n plus 1 binary trees are possible. Now for
2n cn by n plus 1. Why?
For 3 nodes, how many it will be? If I substitute 3 here, then I get answer 5. So it means these matrices can be multiplied in 5 different ways. 5 different ways they can be parenthesized. Which one I want? I want minimum. So shall I try all 5 and calculate their total cost and pick up the best one? No, I don't have to do it like this. No doubt, I have to try all possible 5, but I will follow easy method that is given by dynamic programming. So dynamic programming says that you try out all possibilities and pick up the best one. So how to try all possibilities? It is difficult for every problem. Even they may be missing some possibility also. So without missing anything, how to get the perfect answer by trying all possibilities. Now we will see how to solve this problem. Let us solve this problem using dynamic programming. As dynamic programming uses tabulation method, so these are the tables I have. I will call this with name M and this with name S. Any name you can give, M is the name I have taken. Now, we will fill up this table and in tabulation method, we'll follow bottom-up approach. We should take the smaller values and fill the table first. So actually we are talking about multiplication. So let us take just A1. not multiplied with anything, just a1. So what is the cost of multiplication? It's not multiplied with anything, so the cost is 0. So when I say a1, so let me call it as m of 1 comma 1. So m of 1 comma 1 is 0. Then if I take a2, just a2, then this will be m of 2 comma 2, and there is nothing multiplied, so this is also 0. Same way, m of 3 comma 3 is 0, 4 comma 4 is 0. So this is small problem. Let us find out m of 1 comma 2. M of
नो सर, फिर से एक बार बताइए, ये समझ पल्ले नहीं पड़
multiplied with
रहा।
anything, so the cost is 0. So when I say a1, so let me call it as m of 1 comma 1. So m of 1 comma 1 is 0. Then if I take a2, just a2, then this will be m of 2 comma 2, and there is nothing multiplied, so this is also 0. Same way, m of 3 comma 3 is 0, 4 comma 4 is 0. So this is small problem. Let us find out m of 1 comma 2. M of 1 comma 2 means I am multiplying two matrices, that is 1 to 2. So a1 with a2. Then what are the dimensions of a1? 5, 4, and dimensions of a2? 4, 6. So what will be the total cost of multiplication? 5 into 4 into 6.
M11 का मतलब ये हुआ, M11 का मतलब क्या हुआ? M11 मीनिंग फर्स्ट matrix is being multiplied being selected twice, ठीक है, being selected twice हो जाएगा, being selected twice। तो हम लोगों को फर्स्ट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स दो बार सेलेक्ट हो रही है, तो हम लोगों को फर्स्ट मैट्रिक्स का दो बार गुणा करना ही नहीं है, तो इसलिए इसका वैल्यू 0 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। और ऐसे ही सिमिलरली तुम्हारा M2 क्रॉस 2 और M3 भी 0 हो जाएगा, M4 भी 0 हो जाएगा, ठीक है, ये सारे 0 हो जाएंगे, ठीक है सर, आगे बढ़िए। अब आ जाते हैं M1,2 की बात कर लेते हैं। तो यानी कि क्या होगा, A1 की मल्टीप्लाई होगी A2 से, A1 की मल्टीप्लाई होगी A2 से, तो A1 है 5, 4, A2 है 4, 6, तो ये हो जाएगा 5 into 4, ये हो जाएगा 4 into 6, ठीक है।
This is 120. So m of 1 comma 2, that is multiplying this pair of matrices 120. So here I write 120 first value, and for this 1 with the 2 I multiplied, so I'll take it as 1. So at same 1 comma 2 I will write it as 1. Why I am writing that I will explain after.
तो 120 कैसे हो रहा है भाई? 5 4 जा 20, 6 4 जा 24, सो 120 क्यों बोल रहे हैं सर आप? ट्वेंटी इंटू 24 करो, 480 आना चाहिए, तो 120 कैसे हो रहा है, मतलब नहीं समझा मैं।
A2. Then what are the dimensions of A1? 5, 4, and dimensions of A2? 4, 6.
4 6 है ना, तो 24।
So what will be the total cost of multiplication? 5
हाँ, कॉस्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन बता रहे हैं, ठीक है। व्हाट विल बी टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन, ठीक है। टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ मल्टीप्लिकेशन की अगर मैं बात करूँ, तो अभी हमने ऊपर निकाला था, इस केस में क्या हो रहा है, मल्टीप्लिकेशन की टोटल कॉस्ट आ रही है, तुम बेसिकली क्या कर रहे हो, अच्छा ठीक है, तो तुम ये जो फाइनल तुम्हारा मैट्रिक्स बन रहा है, यानी कि जो ये वाला आ रहा है, इसको ले रहे हो, ठीक है, इसको नहीं, सॉरी, हाँ, जो तुम्हारा फाइनल मैट्रिक्स बन रहा है उसको ले रहे हो, और उसकी मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो कॉमन वाले से। तो उस हिसाब से देखा जाए तो फाइनल मैट्रिक्स मेरा बनेगा 5 into 6 का, ठीक है। इसकी मल्टीप्लाई मैं अगर कॉमन वाले यानी 4 से करूँगा तो कितना हो जाएगा, 120 हो जाएगा, ठीक है।
4 into 6, this is 120. So m of 1 comma 2, that is multiplying this pair of matrices 120. So here I write 120 first value, and for this 1 with the 2 I multiplied, so I'll take it as 1. So at same 1 comma 2 I will write it as 1. Why I am writing that I will explain after some time. Now next I will try a 1 to 2 is over. Now 2 to 3 I'll select this pair. First I selected this, next I am selecting this, after that I'll be selecting this. So 2 to 3 I will select. So m of 2 to 3, that is a2 with a3. What are the dimensions? 4, 6 and 6, 2. 4 into 6 and 6 into 2. So this will be 48. Right? So 2, 3, m of 2, 3 is 48. So I am filling this diagonal. Next, I'll be selecting A, 3, 4. So here I will write down m of 3, 4 will be multiplying these two matrices. So their dimensions are 6, 2 and 2, 7. Right? So 6 into 2 into 7 is 84. So 3, 4 is filled with 84. So now I have the cost of multiplying pair of matrices, and there are different pair possible. I have taken all possible pairs. Now 2 matrices were selected. Now we'll select 3 matrix. So that is, I will find out A of 1, 3. M1, 3 means A1, A2 and A3. So when you consider all 3, then there are 2 possibilities. One is, this is multiplied the result of this, or first A1 and A2 are multiplied and their result is multiplied by A3. There are 2 possibilities. Now what is the cost of, what are the dimensions of this? 5 cross 4, and this is 4 cross 6, 6, 2, and 5, 4, 4, 6, 6, 2. Now what is the cost of A of 1? This is nothing but M1, 1. Plus, what is the cost of this? M 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Then what is the cost of this multiplication? See, this is already done. We know the cost, right? 2, 3 I have written. I want to know only this multiplication, just one multiplication. So this depends on the dimension. So what are the dimensions? 5 and 4, 2. So 5, 4, 2. So the result of this will be 4 cross 2. So 5 into 4 into 2. So this will be 5 into 4 into 2. Then what about this side? This is m of 1, 2 plus m of, this is just 3. So write 3, 3. Then plus, what are the dimensions? See, the final dimensions of this one will be these 2. So 5 into 6 into 2. 5 into 6 into 2. Now, m of 1, 1 is how much? 0. Plus m of 2, 3. 2, 3 is 48. Plus, how much this is? 40. Then m of 1, 2. 1, 2 is 120. Plus m of 3, 3. 3, 3 is 0. Plus, how much this is?
Why we are taking 3, 3?
See,
I'm
the final
not understanding that
m
point.
of, this is just 3. So write the 3 and 4. This multiplication, just one multiplication. So this depends on the dimension. So what are the dimensions? 5 and 4, 2. So 5, 4, 2. So the result of this will be 4 cross 2. So 5 into 4 into 2. So this will be 5 into 4 into 2. Then what about this side? This is m of 1, 2 plus m of, this is just 3. So write the 3.
Nope.
I want to know, this is nothing but m1, 1 plus what is the cost of this? M 2 to 3, 2 to 3. Then what is the cost of this multiplication? See, this is already done. We know the cost, right? 2, 3 I have written. I want to know only this multiplication, just one multiplication. So this depends on the dimension. So what are the dimensions? 5 and 4.
Okay, got it. तो इसका तो जो तुम्हारा आएगा, ठीक है, बेसिकली इसका जो तुम्हारा आएगा वो तो तुम्हारा M1, 1 आ जाएगा, ठीक है. अब इसका जो आएगा अंदर, तो ये तुम्हारा क्या हो जाएगा? ये तुम्हारा हो जाएगा 2, 3 है ना, 2, 3 हमने यहाँ पे निकाला तो 48 आ जाएगा, ठीक है. अब इसको जब हम लोग आगे खोलेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा? M, ये 1 क्रॉस 1 था, यानी कि ये A1 की जो वैल्यू थी वो 5 क्रॉस 4 थी, ठीक है, 5 क्रॉस 4 थी. और यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू आ रही थी A2 की कितनी थी? 4,6 और A3 की कितनी थी? A3 की है 6,2. तो उस हिसाब से देखा जाएगा तो ये आ जाएगा 4,2. तो 5, ये हो जाएगा तुम्हारा M1 क्रॉस 1 प्लस M 5 इंटू 4 इंटू 2 प्लस 48, ये होना चाहिए. तो ये तो 0 हो जाएगा. ये 5 हो जाए 20, 20 टू 40 प्लस 48 यानी कि 88 होना चाहिए.
2. So 5, 4, 2. So the result of this will be 4 cross 2. So 5 into 4 into 2. So this will be 5 into 4 into 2. Then what about this side? This is m of 1, 2 plus m of, this is just 3. So write the 3, 3. Then plus, what are the dimensions? See, the final dimensions of this one will be these 2. So 5 into 6 into 2. 5 into 6 into 2. Now, m of 1, 1 is how much? 0. Plus m of 2, 3. 2, 3 is 48. Plus, how much this is? 40. Then m of 1, 2. 1, 2 is 120.
2 is 120.
Plus m of 3, 3. 3, 3 is 0.
3,
Plus
0.
how much this is? 60.
60.
Right?
180.
Which one is minimum? This is 88 and this is 180. This is minimum. So m of 1, 3 is 88. m of 1 comma 3 is 88. Now here there were two possibilities. We have tried this one versus this one and took minimum out of these two, right? We have taken minimum of these two. So who has given minimum? This one was this side and 2 3 4 2 3 was that side. So one has given us the result. So for this value I should write 1 here. I should find out m of 2 comma 4, means I should select these three. So m of 2 comma 4, in this there are two possibilities, a2 multiplied with the result of this one, or a2 multiplied with a3 and the result with a4. So in this way I am trying all possibilities, but an easy method, because the result I can get it from the table. From the table I am getting the values and I am filling the table. Let us check this. 466227, 466227, 466227. Now what is this one? This is m of 2 2 plus this side is m of 3 4 plus. What will be the product of this one? See, we will get this as a dimension, right? And these two are same, so they are multiplied. 4 into 6 into 7, 4 into 6 into 7. Then what about this side? This is m of 2 to 3 plus m of 4 to 4 plus. The result of this one will be this one, and as these two are same, then final will be 4 into 2 into 7. So 4 into 2 into 7. Let us see how much this is. M of 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 is 0, plus M of 3 4, M of 3 comma 4 is 84. Then this is 168. Then M of 2 3, 2 3 is how much? 48. 48 plus M 4 4 is 0 plus 56. So which one is smaller? This is 252 and this is 104. So which one is minimum? 104 is minimum. So the answer for this one is 104, that is 2 comma 4. 2 comma 4 is 104. And who gave this value? See, this side is 2 3 and that side is 4. So answer is 3. So 3 has given us minimum result. I have to find out this final value. That is all 4. So
वेट एस तो मैंने भरा ही नहीं यार, एस भी तो भरना है मुझे, एस नहीं भर रहा होगा.
With these two, so 5 into 6 into 2, 5 into 6 into 2. Now m of 1 comma 1 is how much? 0 plus m of 2 3, 2 3 is 48 plus how much this is? 40. Then m of 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2 is 120 plus m of 3 3, 3 comma 3 is 0 plus how much this is? 60. Right? Which one is minimum? This is 88 and this is 180. This is minimum. So m of 1 comma 3 is 88. M of 1 comma 3 is 88. Now here there were two possibilities. We have tried this one versus this one and took minimum out of these two, right? We have taken minimum of these two. So who has given minimum? This one was this side and 2 3 4, 2 3 was that side. So one has given us the result. So for this value I should write 1 here. I should find out m of 2 comma 4, means I should select these three. So m of 2 comma 4, in this there are two possibilities, a2 multiplied with the result possibility 4 6 6. Now what is this product of this? Now, the result of this is, see how much this is, plus, and this is 1 comma 4 is 104. And who gave this value? See, this side is 2 3 and that side is 4, so answer is 3. So 3 has given us minimum result. I have to find out this final value, that is all 4. So we tried 2, then 3 at a time, now 4 at a time. Now m of 1 comma 4. So now I will use the formula and show you, right? Use the formula. M of 1 comma 4 is minimum of m of 1 comma 1 plus m of 2 comma 4. See, 1 comma 1 this side, then 2 to 4 remaining, plus what will be the cost of multiplying them? From here I will see this is 1 and these are together 2 to 4. So this is 5 into 4 into 7. So 5 into 4 into 7, comma, I have to take the minimum. This is one possibility. A1 is this side and all three that side. So I wrote here 1. Then again m of 1 comma, see that time I wrote 1 here, now I will write 2 here. So then plus m of this will be 3 4. So this means 1 to 2 this side and 3 to 4 that side. So 2 separate. Plus what will be the cost of this one? 5 4 and 7. So 5 6 and 7. So 5 into 6 into 7. Then there are two more possibilities. Here, right? M of 1. See, first time 1. So this side 2. Then next is 2. Now it is 3. 1 comma 3 plus m of 4 comma 4. So 1 to 3 this side and 4 that side. So this is 5 into 2 into 7. So 5 into 2 into 7. That's it. So what are the possibilities I have? Only 1 this side, 3 that side, or 2 this side, 2 that side, or 3 this side and 1 that side. So all possibilities I have taken here. I have to find out what is the cost of this one. See, this is 0 and 2 comma 4 is how much? 104. 104 and this is 40. And this is m of 1 comma 2 is how much? 120 plus 3 comma 4 is 84 plus 210. And 1 comma 3 is how much? 1 comma 3 is 88. This is 88 plus 4 comma 4 is 0 and this one is 70. Now of this which seems to be smaller. This is 200 and this is a 400 above and this is 158. Yes, this has given us a smaller result. So the result is 158. Then on what value I got this answer? 3. So this is 3. That's it. I have filled the table. Right? So finally I have used the formula. Slowly I have built the formula. Right? So finally I have built the table. Now two tables are ready. Now we need to know the answer. Before knowing the answer, I will write down the formula. Say here, if I say m of I comma j minimum of, what is this? M of I to some k. So you can see that this was 1, so 2, then 2, then 3, then 3 and 4. So m of I comma k plus m of k plus 1 comma j. This is the formula used. This 1 comma 1, so 2 to 4. 1 to 2, 3 to 4. So 1 to 3, 4 to 4. I to k plus 1 to j. Then plus, this was getting multiplied. These are getting multiplied. So how I should represent them? Now from the example I'll show you. So if I say this is a dimension 1, then this is a dimension 2, then this is a dimension 3, then this is a dimension 4, then this I have to call it as dimension 0. Like there are 4 matrices, so total 5 dimensions. So I should start from 0. So otherwise if I start from 1, I will end up at 5. But the last matrix is 4. So let us start from 0. Dimension 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So when I'm multiplying any matrix, see, when I'm multiplying the matrix that is ik to k plus 1 to j. So I should take I. So if I is this matrix, then I should take this one, I minus 1. So this is d of I minus 1 into d of k into d of j. This is the formula. Now let me follow this table into d of j.
भाई ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा ही हो गया है, ऊपर से जाने लगा है लगभग, लाइक कि फॉलो कर रहे हो आँख बंद करके, ऐसा लग रहा है, और पल्ले नहीं पड़ रही हैं चीज़ें कि क्यों कर रहे हैं ऐसा। तो मुझे लग रहा है याद करने वाला ही होगा ये डी कॉमा जे।
This is the formula. Now let me follow this table, the one which was giving minimum. I was writing them here. So the first topmost one, what it says, 3. So it means this side. Then this is separate. So this is one parenthesis. At 3 it is split. K is a 3. So 1 to 3 is this side and 4 that side. Right? Now what about 1 to 3? So if I check 1 to 3, it is 1. 1 to 3 is giving 1. So 1 this side. So A1 this side. Then what that side is remaining? A2
A3,
and
A4.
A3. Then already this outer bracket was there. Then A4. That's it. 2 to 3. So 2 to 3 gives us what? 2 only. So there are only 2. So let them be as it is. So how it looks like? See, A2 and A3 are multiplied first and we get this result. Then A1 is multiplied with their result, right? Then A4 is multiplied with their result. This is how the multiplication will be done. This is a tray we got, this shape we got, right? So this is the solution. Now let us check what is the time complexity. So actually we are preparing a table, but we are not preparing
wait. ये जो फाइनल जो एस टेबल यानी सेपरेशन टेबल बोल सकते हो, ये जो बनाया है, इस हिसाब से जो तुम्हारी मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है, तो इसमें A1, A2, A3, A4 है। तो अगर हम किसी बात करें, अगर हम बात करें, नहीं पल्ले नहीं पड़ा, A2 ये 2 3 हो जाएगा, ठीक है। 1 4 की बात करें, 1 to 4 की बात करें, तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पे सेपरेशन देना है, ठीक है, क्योंकि 3 पे सेपरेशन आना चाहिए 3 के बाद। 1 to 3 की बात करें, 1 to 3 की, तो यहाँ पे सेपरेशन देना है तुमको, यहाँ पे आ गया बेसिकली सेपरेशन, ठीक है। और 1 to 2 की बात करें तो वो 1 पे होना चाहिए, ठीक है। 2 to 3 की बात करें, 2 to 3 की बात पे तो 2 पे होना चाहिए, तो 2 पे है। 3 to 4 की बात करें तो 3 पे होना चाहिए, 3 to 4 में 3 है ही नहीं, तो कैसे होगा? तो यानी कि इस हिसाब से ऐसा बनना चाहिए कि तुम्हारा A1 जो है वो मल्टीप्लाई उसकी होनी चाहिए किससे? A2 और A3 के मल्टीप्लिकेशन से, और फिर इसकी मल्टीप्लाई होनी चाहिए किससे? A4 से। ऐसा ही होना चाहिए ना, तो ये बनेगा डायग्राम, ठीक है। लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा पल्ले कम पड़ा है, इसको देखना पड़ेगा।
That table we are preparing half of the table. So also you can say n into n plus 1 by 2 number of elements we are generating, right? See, this is 1, then 2, then 3, so on. So n plus 1 or n minus 1 also you can say, because this diagonal is all 0. So whether you want to consider or not. So anyway, this is going to be n square.
n square.
Approximately n square, right? If you want to write notation, it's n square. But each element, how we are getting? We are calculating all and finding the minimum. So how much time it takes? At most n. So this is into n. So the time complexity of this one is n cube. So this is theta of n cube. So the time complexity for matrix chain multiplication is n cube. Multiplying the matrices is also n cube, and solving the parenthesization problem of matrices is also n cube. Then lastly, I'll show one more thing. This table, I'll draw it like this, right? Because we are not using this portion. So first row, I will draw it like this. This is first row, right? Then this is second row. Then this is third row. And this is fourth row. So these are rows. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So if I say I is for row and J is for column, so these are I. So I'll write I here, right? That side, from that side if I see. Then these are columns. So these are columns. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are J. Then what is the value here? 158. And this is 88 and 104 and 120, 48 and 84, 0, 0, 0, 0. This is how a table is prepared. Instead of drawing it like this and half unfilled or empty, we can also draw it.
क्यों, क्या ज़रूरत है भाई ऐसे ड्रॉ करने की सर? क्यों ड्रॉ करेंगे? ऐसा मत करो ना, ये नहीं हो रहा है। क्यों ड्रॉ करना है ऐसे? 158, 104, 84, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 120 and 88 and 48. ये J होगा और ये होगा I. Okay.
Like this. So just turn this that side, you get this table. Hi. Topic of this video is matrix chain multiplication. Already I have one video in my playlist, but there are a few things I have missed there in that video, so it may be a little bit confusing for the students, so I'm making a new video on the same topic. The problem in YouTube is we cannot edit the video. I cannot add something to the video, so I have to make a new video once again. So the contents of the video are: what is matrix multiplication? I'll explain this. Then what does it mean by matrix chain multiplication? And how to apply dynamic programming. So here I'll be giving you the idea, approach for solving a problem using dynamic programming, right? Then if you are interested in learning problem solving, then don't miss this part. Then I'll use the formula of dynamic programming and show you how to solve the problem, what should be the approach for solving the problem. Then the last thing, I'll show you an example problem. And if you're here one day before the examination, then you need this one directly. So you can directly jump onto this part of the video and you can finish it. So you'll learn how to solve a problem, that's all, right? So how the formula is obtained and all details, you have to spend time definitely. And if you're watching for learning the problem and learning problem solving, then there are a lot of things to learn.
52 मिनट की वीडियो है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं। कल स्टार्ट करेंगे इस वीडियो को, और ज़्यादा कुछ पल्ले पड़ा नहीं है मैट्रिक्स चेन मल्टीप्लिकेशन के लिए। बस इतना पल्ले पड़ा है कि ये जो है टोटल कुल मिला के ये पता करने की कोशिश हो रही है कि कौन सी दो मैट्रिसेस को मैं पहले मल्टीप्लाई करूं, लाइक मल्टीप्लिकेशन का ऑर्डर क्या होगा चूज़ करने का, जिससे हमारा जो क्या बोल सकते हैं, जिससे हमारी जो टाइम कॉम्प्लेक्सिटी है या जो कॉस्ट है बेसिकली मल्टीप्लाई करने की, जो कि यहाँ पे हमने निकाली थी कि कितने मल्टीप्लिकेशन मुझे टोटल चाहिए होंगे, वो मिनिमम हो पाए। तो फिर हमने उसके लिए टेबुलेशन फॉर यूज़ किया है, डीपी लगा कर। ठीक है, ये और ये था हमारा फॉर्मूला। तो ज़्यादा कुछ पल्ले पड़ा नहीं है, लेकिन 52 मिनट की सर ने एक और वीडियो बना रखी है, वो देखेंगे कल। देखते हैं, तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय, मिलते हैं कल।